afternoon. Please, do you know number 3 Bello Avenue?
Bello?
Yes.
Now this street be Bello.
Oh yes, yes.
Bello, yes. Now
I mean number 3.
Auntie, see, you too fine. You be like fresh wine.
Thank
see
you.
See how you buckish.
Is that what you're stopping me for? Hello?
Hello, eh? I said that your talk to sweet. This early morning you don't ready like this, they go out. What happened?
Listen, you are not the landlord of this house. So you have no right, no audacity to stop me and tell me about sweeping or whatever you call it.
The time when you call the rent this, they not tell you say that they sweep. You sweep, I sweep. It's your turn to sweep. You never sweep.
You're so funny.
How?
Like seriously, you are so funny. Like I said before, are you my landlady? You don't pay my bills. You don't control me. What's that?
Do you dey pay my bills? Why they call you dey pay my bills? Now sweeping at all. I say you sweep, I sweep. It's your turn to sweep. You never sweep.
I said don't try this next time.
Sisi, go sweep. Wanna see Sisi? Sisi, wait to ma tell you. No, because I tell you say, if I be man, I would like to marry you. Say you fine. No, can they use that one? Can they say they do me like say I don't know what they do? I don't get character. I just dey respect you because I like you. Ma tell you.
Oh really?
Yes.
You don't have character.
No.
Want to try me? Hey! You say what?
I know I say you like better thing and you know better thing. It's fine. Make I get her.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. Let me hold her. Thank you. Fine. You know better thing. That make me like you. I say I like you. I'm not a big man.
Here.
Thank you. I appreciate her. Wow. It's fine. What do you want?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You look nice.
Fine, Abby?
Yeah, you look much brighter. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, see you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Sisi.
Alright.
You fine, oh?
Thank you.
Don't find this money. Now they go out.
Carol.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hey, hello. Whoa, excuse me. God damn it. Hello. Sorry. My name is Emmy, but my friends call me E-Money for short. Yeah. I don't know. Has anybody ever told you you're so beautiful?
Thank you.
Really?
Oh.
Nice hair.
Thank you.
Sorry to bother you. I actually came to see a friend and he's not around. So he told me to wait for him right here. And fortunately for me, I met a beautiful damsel like you.
Thank you.
What are you doing around here?
Actually, I was coming from my friend's place.
Okay.
And I'm going to my house.
Oh, in other words, you live around here?
Yes. My house is not that far from here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Number 3, Bello Avenue.
Number 3, Bello Avenue.
Yes.
Just along this road, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. What's your name?
My name is Jessica, but my friends will call me Sisi.
Sisi.
Yes.
What a nice name.
person?
Yes, I'm looking for somebody.
Hey.
Yeah.
Who?
Actually looking for Jessica.
Jessica. No, nobody like that. Jessica. No. You don't get Jessica for this house.
It's the street. Talking about 3 Abbey Street.
No, Bello.
Oh, Bello, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Bello.
Now this street.
And then she mentioned something like Sisi.
Oh, Sisi.
Oh, Sisi, yeah.
Yes, that fine.
Yes.
You love it, you love my guess. Okay, that girl. Now you look for.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
He be like say you be one of them, bros.
I don't understand.
You don't go understand. Back call her for you.
Okay, thank you.
Sisi.
This woman is actually very funny.
Hi, brother, they look for you. Too fine. You know her.
Oh, you.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Sorry, I didn't actually call you. I had a flat out. Just do that.
Okay.
Bros, I thought somebody come. You know, now she be this. You know
Oh, yes, sorry. Yes.
Hey, you say that she's the one, huh? You just spoke.
Carol. Oh my God, that's how she.
Hey, that's why I be you. Sorry.
Hi, babe. Hello. You can come in.
Okay.
Let's go inside. Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You actually look beautiful than I ever imagined.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Please, you see, after the day I saw you, I not been able to take care of my mind.
Oh.
Anytime I think about you, like I see you in my dreams, and I was like, I should come official to tell you how I feel about you. So, I like you so much, and I want us to start us something that might lead to marriage.
Wow.
If you don't mind. So, what do you have to say?
Okay.
Like, you in?
Yes.
Are you serious? Very darling. Thank you. See, on my way here, actually, and I was like, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? And something came to my mind, and I got you this.
Oh my God, this for me?
Awful.
Oh my goodness.
You like it?
So beautiful. Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I love it. Oh, oh my God, I love surprises. Makes it nice on me.
Yes, I like surprise too. Bros, do that for me. Yeah, you never go. See, everywhere I go to, I see my go ask you whether you need cold water.
Carol.
Okay. Well done, bros. Bros, well done. Everywhere hot too. I say make I bring water for her.
Good.
Go! This is here. She like better thing. She like better thing.
Thank you.
Thank you, say.
Thank you, I don't need anything.
You like better thing. See. If I dey tell you say you like better thing, you know they won't believe me. See how you dey laugh. Someday you need water, cold one.
Carol.
Bros, see they do it for me now. Not say she good. See, now nice girl.
Really?
Yes, if you go fit, hold her tight. She good, she nice. Na first class.
Carol.
I say you nice, you good. I mean you not good.
Thank you. Yeah.
Bros, welcome.
Thank you.
Ma bring water.
Please. Go.
I say well.
Go.
You good.
Go.
Come on.
What?
She's actually fun, very fun.
Please, don't mind her. She's always like that. Yeah. She's the caretaker of the house, that's all.
She's the caretaker of this place.
Yes.
Ah, very funny lady. I think I like her. I'm coming.
they kiss like that for outside? You know, can I go your room?
Hello? I will do whatever I want to do anywhere in this compound.
As in how? This is what they do here and I not favor me. I don't like it.
Not my business.
You know somebody not be fire. Which one be not your business?
Yes, not my business. So I will do whatever I want to do anywhere in this house.
I know, but for inside your room.
Listen, I pay my bills in this house and wherever I like, I do my shit.
See, this is what they do so you know. That day you bring bros. I know say bros fine. You good. I like bros. But this thing you gonna do inside room. This is what they do so that day you welcome and I not say I not talk anything. But this is what they do now. You not go down well. Like this.
Hey, Carol, enough. Enough. What is it? Or is it because I'm taking it lightly with you? What is it?
I don't fit talk.
I pay my bills in this house, so stop questioning me.
For inside compound.
Please, stop. Stop.
Baby, take it easy. Calm down.
Baby, please, let me handle this woman.
We know the
let me handle this woman.
You know as we take the talk.
Enough. Don't talk to my man. Do this again, you ask me why.
You don't do this again. Don't do this kind of thing for us. And
I have the right to do it anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yes, because I'm paying my bills in this house.
As you do one, you just have to do me.
Oh, please. Baby, my friend.
Oh, your friend.
Yeah, her name is Jennifer.
Welcome. My name is Nakaru. Yes.
She's my neighbor.
Yes. Neighbor.
Always like that.
Yes, I'm always like this. Welcome.
She's
Welcome.
my friend. Her name is Jennifer.
Your gang, fine. She fine. She cute. Like you.
Actually, she's from Lagos.
Hi, welcome. Welcome.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome to our house. Thank you. Sisi though.
Okay. Enjoy yourself.
Fuck up. You don't think carry me company.
Babe, no face. You know that? You know say as you dey so I need to come open the door first. Ghana, this dey there now. No, not today now. Yeah, they got Lagos no dey try. See me there, guys dey. Money dey. No be Lagos. I don't be Lagos.
I don't hide.
Babe, enjoy yourself. No time. This is me. Hey, you want to tell you something? You call at those states. You don't know say I know there too.
I don't know say I
don't know
Lagos. I don't know be Lagos. So
I don't say I'm in. What to do? You see guys. Hey, you go drink.
hello. Good afternoon. You just go.
Wait. You think say you know me?
Your PA.
Carol, you say you know me.
I know you. You see that do this thing? Hey, no wonder I say you be first class. So Sisi, you dey smoke?
I will take weed. You know, so I dey smoke too.
You said,
Now this one will say they cool off now. I will say they cool.
I see.
tell her the story.
No, no, babe.
That's what she don't know. She don't know the
You know I'm changing for Lagos, Abby.
Carol. Carol.
Sisi, you dey smoke? Sisi, you surprise me. You just shock me. So you dey do this thing?
You smoke?
No.
You want smoke? Go carry check when you come smoke.
I think say I know you. I don't know say I know you. I don't know you.
Don't know. Everything you go know.
See, you just shock me.
That's why they make me laugh. What did you say you know before? You say you know Sisi because I follow you to this house. This half house for you, the manager. You know what I did for Lagos? You know me Sisi. Yeah? You know me Sisi.
Hey.
I better go.
If let's say this your friend like console, she's a the level. I see, I clear. Sisi, do. I don't know say they smoke or.
Babes! Guys, cute guys.
They get money.
Hey!
They get money.
They get money, oh, one thing. Oh, I see money. They spend money. Don't say I'm That's why I just see your pocket. See me now. See your pocket. See me. See your pocket. Carol.
Sisi, actually they look for you.
No, I hope this.
See how you say I hope there's no problem. I get problem. I don't get problem.
Carol, say what you want.
Okay.
What is it this time?
Hey, you know say the time when you dey come this house, you get one paper wey will give you. We tell you say somebody come visit you. You're not supposed to pass 2 weeks. And that your friend who you carry come. I don't know whether that's Jennifer. She don't spend more than 2 weeks. Now I ask you which day she want to come to.
Oh my God, Carol, not again. What kind of a question is that? Asking me when my visitor is going to leave. How?
Which visitor?
You are not my man. You're not supposed to be asking me this kind of questions.
Carol, if you talk that one, I'll best for you. Not talk that kind of thing.
As in,
Who should be? I'm not your landlady. Who should be that?
no, I don't understand. Wait till you want to talk now.
Okay, you want come speak
No,
to Jenna?
wait. What are you going to say?
Carol,
Are you the one paying my bills? Look. I'm the one paying my bills. Whoever I like, I will bring it to my house.
when you want come out?
That's not your business.
Okay, that's what you want to
Yes, not your business. She can stay as long as she wants to stay.
You will pay extra money with
As
that.
what?
I will report to landlady.
You fuck off.
Okay, no wahala. Speak big oyinbo. When your friend wan comot, na so they take dey start time. If it's small time, na you go carry 10 people come join body. For one self-contained, not be for this house. Go landlady place. Oh wait, fuck off.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm actually looking for.
Oh, you're cute.
Thank you. Excuse me.
I like you.
Excuse me. I'm very full.
Hold
Madam, good afternoon.
why you dey push am?
Is it not cute?
Hey, cute. You know her?
Yes, I know him.
No. I'm just meeting her for the first time. I'm looking for Sisi.
She be Sisi.
No.
Bet you dey touch her.
No.
What?
Is she inside?
No, see, I tell Sisi they don't trust all these boys. So the other day you dey press Sisi for them. Now you dey press this one as Sisi friend. Yes, Sisi friend.
Are you serious?
But you don't know you dey press her now.
No, it's not what you think. Stop it.
What I think? Why you don't know what I dey think?
You know me now, right? I came to look for Sisi.
But I don't know you again. Sisi go hear this one. Bros.
No, now. Don't.
Come
You
here.
shock me, oh. Hey, you don't know before. I
I'm
know.
just speaking for the first time.
Lie. Lie, you lie. You know Abi?
No, I'm just meeting her for the first time.
From here, lie.
Stop already.
I know, bros. So you joined them?
No. I'm looking for Sissy.
So you do this kind of thing too?
No, it's not what you think, madam. It's not what... Stop already. Madam,
Jennifer,
no, it's not what you think.
You know her?
Yes.
Hey! Sissy go hear this one. Sissy!